I was really excited when J.S. Jackson Supplies reached out to see if I'd be interested in putting together their extra deep utility sink because I'd been trying to come up with an outdoor sink solution for washing up from working in the garden. I don't like tracking dirt into my house, so I thought I'd be able to set this up by my shed where I have a hose bib nearby. The sink is made of a heavy-duty thermoplastic material and measures 13 inches deep. It comes with a high arc coil pull-down faucet that has two spray modes. It includes a P-trap kit and sturdy steel legs. I pulled out a few standard tools and started the installation process by popping out one of the holes for the faucet. Then I installed the steel legs and foot levelers that I'd adjust in the end. I put the drain piping together and installed it along with the faucet onto the sink. I am no plumber, but this wasn't that hard to figure out with the instructions provided. Because I'm using this outdoors with a standard garden hose attachment, I had to add this 3/8 by 1 inch adapter and just connected one of the lines. For the drain tube, for now I just added a 1.5 inch flexible tubing to drain out into the dirt until I figure out exactly where I want this to go. So keep in mind you'll need a few extra supplies that aren't included if you're installing this outside. I am so happy with this utility sink. It's well made and sturdy, and I was able to set it up by myself. It came with basic instructions, and it provides a customer service number if you run into issues with installation or anything else. The J.S. Jackson utility sink would also be great in the laundry room, garage, or utility room. They come in a couple of different color options, and I'd recommend checking them out if you're looking for a well-made, versatile utility sink. I hope this quick installation and overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.